Welcome to the Cal Corporation's series of videos about software engineering. The topic of this video is constants like int max. Before proceeding, make sure that you have already watched these other videos first. For avoiding overflow, it helps to know the largest number that can be represented by a particular type. Ever since the C programming days, that largest number has been available as a constant called something like long max, or long min if you want to know the most negative number. Because floating point types use scientific notation, they can represent extremely large numbers. For them, the more interesting quantity is their epsilon, which is how close together two numbers could be with them both still being representable as two different numbers. C++ made this topic more object-oriented by encapsulating these constants within a dummy class called numeric limits. Numeric limits is a templated class, so you can add your own specialization of numeric limits if you happen to have your own custom numeric type and you want to provide information about it. C++ has already provided specializations for built-in types like int, which might look something like this. Notice how there's a isSpecialized member, which clients can query to discover whether or not this specialization even exists. These digit members report the number of positive digits. A floating point type's epsilon is also reported by this object-oriented mechanism. The largest possible error when a floating point is rounded into an integer is 0.5. That value is also reported by numeric limits. The numeric limits specialization has a has-infinity member, which means that an infinity function can be called to obtain a representation of infinity for that type